Hey guys, welcome. Oh, jeez. Where'd that come from? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And, well, welcome to my mess. Yeah, there was a point in time when this was actually clean, organized, and I actually knew where my tools were. Well, I guess today, I know the channel usually revolves around automotive, but I figured today, you know what? Why don't we clean out my workshop? I don't have a whole lot of car stuff coming up right now, so I thought maybe I'd throw this out. I thought this could make some good content. I guess the idea is I want to take everything out, like everything, throw it in the yard somewhere, maybe leave it for a few weeks there, get back to it, maybe bring a couple things in that I actually need, and maybe throw away 90% of the stuff I don't need. But yeah, I guess let's get right into it. So here's a little bit of the junk that I did pull out of here. Somehow got to get most of this back in that shop without, cluttering it all back up. Some things aren't going to go back in there. I got this little pile over here. That fan don't work anymore. All these speakers have gone out. It's kind of garbage. But yeah, all of this over here, it's gotta go back in there. Fun. All right. Well, yeah. Sure, that looks like a good spot. Well, I mean, it ain't perfect, but that's all right. It is much better than it was before. I mean, dang. I could run laps in here now. But yeah, I'll bring you guys down and pan around. So yeah, here we are. Again, not perfect, but now I've got a little bit of an area to work on. Stuff. I always keep forgetting I got these little things. Got a level kit for my Silverado. I need to get that on someday. But yeah, I can actually, you know, walk over here. Well, we won't talk about this area. But anyway, that's alright. I don't do anything back there anyway, so. Got my little shelf somewhat organized. You know, kind of like a chaotic organization. But hey, I somewhat know where everything is. The one thing I still never found is my darn torque wrench. I have no idea where that little thing went to, but it's all right. Just get another one. But yeah, that's that. Hopefully that was somewhat entertaining. Appreciate anybody who's still watching. Let me know if you like this type of content, because I have a scrap pile in my backyard too that's just getting pretty out of hand. I wanted to go through it, sort it out, and I also wanted to put up a little privacy fence to kind of hide it from the road a little better. Yeah, I got some other little goofy things to do that I think might be interesting. Not necessarily automotive, but something to watch. Actually thinking about possibly changing the name of the channel. Just because it's kind of a little difficult for me to keep up with the automotive content. But like I said, I have plenty of other interesting things I could probably do. And if I start doing other things, I might change my name because it won't make much sense. You know, Bus and Bolts reviewing food. That's kind of weird. So, you know, just goofy little things. So yeah, like I said, I might change my channel name. I've only got a little over 100 subscribers, so I'm pretty sure nobody's gone out and got a tattoo of my name yet on their shoulder or something, so I should be safe. I apologize if it bugs anybody, but you know, hey, like I said, I just can't quite keep up with the automotive content like I was hoping. So yeah, but that's that. Again, appreciate anybody who is still watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of stuff. I'll keep trying to plug along with some videos here and there when I can. So thank you, and you guys have a good one.